How to use Canva app. To use the Canva app, follow these steps. Download and install the Canva app from your device's App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the Canva app and sign in with your Canva account. If you don't have an account, you can create one within the app. Once you're logged in, you can choose to create a design from scratch or use one of the available templates. Select the type of design you want to create, such as social media posts, presentations, posters, or custom dimensions. Customize your design by adding text, images, stickers, or backgrounds. You can also change fonts, colors, and other design elements. Use the app's editing tools to crop, resize, rotate, and arrange elements on your canvas. Save your design to your Canva account or export it to your device's gallery. You have a Canva Pro subscription. You'll have access to additional features and premium elements. Like, subscribe and share.